Good morning, students. This is Dr. Azmi Naqvi. I am PhD doctor and I completed my PhD from Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, Delhi. Today we are going to talk about cells. So, what are cells? We must have heard it in physics as in a battery, and now it's getting in biology. As we all read in our previous classes, our body is made up of numerous units known as cells. Just like a building, which is made up of many bricks, and each unit of the building is a brick. Similarly, our body is like a building, and brick of our body is a cell. And today we are going to know more about it. So, what is cell? A better explanation to the cell is that cells are the basic structural and functional unit of our living organisms. Some organisms are made up of only one cell, so they are named as a unicellular organism, whereas others which are made up of many cells, so they are known as a multicellular organisms. Before knowing the biology of the cell, let's know some of its history. It's the year 1965. Robert Hooke, a scientist, observed a slice of wood in a magnifying glass. He saw that there were numerous boxes on the slice of the wood. After doing some more research, he came to conclusion that every organism has these boxes, and he named these boxes as a cell. And in this way, the term cell has coined. All cells are not same. Some are big, some are small, some are branched, some are oval. An amoeba and an ostrich, both of them are unicellular, yet they are so different. Amoeba cannot be seen with the naked eye, whereas ostrich egg is so big that you can hold it with your hands. Now let's see the structure and function of the cell. Cell usually has three main components: cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the cell organelles. The cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It is to protect the cell organelles and the cytoplasm from spilling out. It is a kind of cup. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane, meaning a partially permeable membrane, a membrane that allow only certain molecules or ions to pass through it by diffusion or by facilitated diffusion. Then we have a cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like liquid that hold all the components and protect them from damage. Now, moving ahead, most importantly, we have cell organelle, which is present inside the cell. Nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vacuoles, lysosomes, these all are called the cell organelles. The nucleus, it holds the genetic material inside it. Vacuoles that helps in throwing waste out of the cell. Mitochondria, which is called the powerhouse of the cell, it generates energy. And you will read more about this in further classes. Next come the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus. These organelles are involved in synthesizing proteins. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has a tiny cell organelles attached to it, which is known as ribosomes. And these endoplasmic reticulums help in synthesizing protein, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum have some other important functions. Microtubules gives shape to the cell. So these were some of the basics of the cell structure and function. And we'll dig more to it in the next videos. So you stay tuned. Thank you.